Calibration of the Milestone system requires that it first be in local control, i.e. not driven by the Greentronics. So this number has to be steady. So you'll start here, you go to the tools. It's important that the remote control, which is the switch that turns the drum, the switch in the drum I should say, it's important that remote control be turned to off. Otherwise when you try to calibrate, that circuit won't be able to complete. So you go to remote control, local, remote control start stop, off. Okay, and we go back to the tools, and all these directions are on the inside of the cover with the exception of the remote control. So then you go to tools, flow rate would let you input that 7.75, whatever you want. Tubing calibration, and then you go over here and you flip this valve from flow to calibrate. It's already on calibrate. Then you put your little measuring cup at the bottom and then you press start. Green light should come on, pump should run, and it'll be filling the cup. Now this number here is your application rate. That's what you want it to put down. That doesn't really matter as far as calibration goes. What matters is 10 ounces. The pump is going to try to put out 10 ounces, and then you have to change this number. Say it only put in 9.5. Then you would edit the 10 to 9.5. So we'll wait till it's done here. Okay, it's done. I'm just going to let the hose drain out. If you start with a drain hose, end with a drain hose. Okay. Alright, and now we'll measure what we've got. Okay, we have exactly 10 ounces. Perfect. So now if you got 9.5, you would edit this number. But now this number is highlighted because it stopped pumping. So if you want to edit, you click enter, change the digits. In our case, we like it. Now you exit. Okay, now you're calibrated. You do that as many times as it takes to get to 10 ounces. In the past we've seen you'll get blockages in these lines. There used to be a little quick connect here, focus, that we replaced with a simple barb because that was blocking it. If you're calibrating it and you can never get more than like 2 ounces, you know you have a blockage somewhere. So when you calibrate, it changes your application rate depending on the max it could put out. Anyway, I'll get to that in 2 seconds. Okay, now we go down here to remote control. So we're going to change it back to running on the Greentronics system. Current input 480. 19.9 is 12.65. We're good there. Now if we would have changed that 10 ounce number, it would have changed 12.65, and so we'd have to go in and just verify that these values are correct. Make sure to exit, not escape. Okay. And then we'll want to turn remote start stop back to on. I'll allow the switch to begin working. Okay, now you can see we're back in variable rate mode. If I were to turn the if I were to flip the switch here in the drum, the green light would come on and the pump would run. Make sure to flip this back to flow. Okay. And that's that.